today we are doing something to the car that is finally going to put this thing into its next phase, I feel like. And I've been very excited to actually get these put onto the car for quite some time. The car is actually going to be in its first car show on March 9th. So I'm just trying to get everything ready for the car. And today we are finally going to put on these TRD side skirts. I've had these sitting here for quite some time. They took a while to get shipped out because they come from Japan. And then I also needed to get them wrapped. I got them wrapped in the exact same midnight purple that the car is wrapped in by Anozatech. And shout out to my wrap guy who does all the wrapping for my car, because he's amazing. He still had the roll. He was able to do this. He was a real lifesaver for actually being able to get these wrapped. If you guys live in the Vegas area, make sure I'll put it in the link down below or on the screen right here. Enzo Auto Wraps. He is the best in town. If you're not going to him to get your car wrapped, you're going to the wrong person. But anyways, let's start getting into this install. It shouldn't be too hard. There's a few pop clips we have to do to get the original side skirts off so we can get these on, and then we have to do some drilling. But all in all, I don't think it should be really that hard of a job. So let's get into it. So I have a general idea of how to put these on, but once again, the instructions came in Japanese, so I have no idea how to read it or how you're actually supposed to put these on. But I've seen a few videos, and I'm pretty sure that I have the idea of how to put these on. But like in typical fashion for this channel, we're just going to wing it and hope for the best. I'm pretty sure it's pretty straightforward and easy, and this shouldn't take that long. So let's get into it and figure out what we got to do. All right, so we're just gonna mock this up and take a look. All right, so for the most part, very OEM, kind of just snaps right into place. Trying to get a visual guide where what we have to do. All right, so I think I got this mocked up about as good as it's gonna get. So we're just gonna full send, take off the 3M tape. Worst case scenario, we have to go buy a new 3M tape and just reposition it. But I'm pretty sure I got this exactly where it needs to be. Full send commencing. Gotta get the rest of this tape off somehow. This end ends right here. And I think we did this absolutely perfect. The best we're gonna get it. Yeah, it's mocked up perfectly with the OEM holes from the original side skirt. So, you know, I doubt myself a lot when I'm doing things that I have no idea what I'm doing. And I just want to take this moment to say that you guys should believe in yourself, because I've done a lot to this car, and I've never worked on cars a day in my life, and I've kind of just overcome the adversities of the frustrations and the difficulties, and I've always found a way. So just believe in yourself. You guys got this. This actually came out absolutely perfect. I don't think I could have done it any better. So now all we have to do is drill some holes to put some pop clips in. Right here, right here, here. The wrap's covering it, but there's one here, here, and here. And the TRD kit came with all the pop clips that we're gonna need, so all we have to do is drill out the holes, put these in, and we can put this back on the car. All right, so on the back end of the side skirt towards the rear wheels, you're gonna get this little clip and a screw, and it's going to go right here, clip on. You're gonna put the screw in so it bonds this panel so you don't have any like wiggle, you know. I'm gonna do my best to show you guys how to do it right now, and then we're officially done. We just have to put it on the car again. Only problem is I didn't drill it in the right place. Gotta re-drill it one more time. Because once it went on there, it kind of pushed it back, so. And that should be good right there. Yep, perfect. All right, so it's officially bonded to the original side skirts, and now it's time to just put it back on the car and see how it looks. I'm so excited to see how this looks. Looks like everything's good. Not coming off. Oh my God. That looks so freaking good. God, that looks so good. I'm so glad I went with these. I'll wash the car. The car is filthy. It hasn't been clean in like 3 weeks because of all the work we've been doing. All right, so I finally got the car off jack stands, and that took quite some time because I did not take into consideration how much lower these side skirts actually lowered the car. And boys, we're practically on the ground at this point. It was already hard enough trying to jack this car up, but now I have no idea how I'm gonna jack this car up in the future. Guys, these side skirts look absolutely amazing on the car. It gave it that OEM plus look to it. Almost looked like the car just comes in stock like this out of factory. I'm so happy to actually get this thing out of the garage. It's been like 3 weeks. The car was filthy. It feels good to have it finally clean and sitting here nice and clean. It feels amazing that we're going to get the alignment tomorrow and that I can finally drive this car. I can take the car to work again. I can go to the gym, mainly just be able to drive this car again because this has been the longest 3 weeks of my entire life going without this car, and I'm so happy that I can finally drive this car again. But yeah, this is officially phase 1 of the car. I'm finally happy with how the car is sitting for at least a while until we wide body it, maybe change the color of the wrap, get some new wheels. But for now, super happy with how the car is sitting. We actually have a car show on March 9th, and I just wanted to get the car ready. And I just wanted to get the car ready before then, and this is actually how the car is going to be sitting at the car show. The guy who wraps my car asked me to represent his booth at the car show, so this car is going to be representing his wrap shop. I'm actually super excited about it because it's gonna be the first car show I've ever been to. It's gonna be the first car show that this car is gonna be in. It should be a fun day, getting a bunch of footage, seeing other people's builds, and it should be a fun little video to record. But yeah, after that, we have so much more coming to this car. I have some more stuff actually coming in the mail really soon. And then also, I've been saying this for the longest time, over and over and over again, I am not about that static life. So actually, I can show you guys one thing that's gonna be going on the car pretty soon. We're actually going to be installing the Bag Rider Super Low kit so we can ride low. We got dual compressors set up. We got the Airlift 3-piece system to manage it all. But yeah, like I said, I just wanted the car ready for the car show on March 9th. So after March 9th on the first weekend, we're probably going to be installing those. I'm super excited to finally get the car bagged. No more scraping. I can actually jack the car up. I'm super excited to finally be on bags. I'm just not about that static life. But yeah, if you guys are looking to install the TRD side skirts onto your car, it's super, super easy. All you got to do is take off the original side skirt, drill some holes, put some pop clips in, put the 3M tape on, and then put it back on the car. Super simple, super easy. I hope this video helped you guys out if you were looking to install these for yourself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Later.